Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Professor Dr. Rizwan Jamil Qureshi and I am starting a new course, Web Engineering. History of developing the Internet. How the Internet was started. In 1957, Soviet Union, which is Russia, launched a missile named Sputnik, and because of that, American Research Project Agency ARPA was created to work on advanced defense projects. In 1962, Russia installed nuclear missile in Cuba, which is just 90 miles away from American borders. At the time of nuclear war, the Cold War, ARPA issued grants to local universities such as MIT, Harvard, Stanford to investigate packet switching technology. The basic idea was to build a network which could withstand a nuclear attack by rerouting the information in case of hardware failure. In the 1969, ARPANET's first 4 nodes was built at selected US universities by software that is developed by students. In 1972, there was the first public demonstration of Internet at Washington DC conference. In 1973, England and Norway were added to make it international, and in 1983, TCP/IP became the protocol standard for ARPANET, Transmission Control Protocol, and the Internet Protocol. In 1984, National Science Foundation (NSF) launched for those companies which don't have contract with ARPA. In 1990, Advanced Network Services took over NSF. All these networks connected to ARPANET and running TCP/IP protocols as a whole is called Internet. Then we have a concept of World Wide Web. How it was originated? In 1990, Tim Berners-Lee, which was working in European Laboratory of Particle Physics, the CERN in Switzerland, developed the World Wide Web. Type of infrastructures for intercommunications. We have Internet, Intranet, and Extranet. There are 3 types of network infrastructures. Internet is an interconnected set of networks which covers the whole globe. Intranet is a protected network in which nobody outside of the organization can access inside network. So it totally stops the unauthorized access, and it's for the within company within an organization local network. High speed, low delay communication that can be secured within one site, so it's a protected, secure network. Extranet is a form of intranet in which some people outside of the organization can access inside network, only the authorized people. An extranet is also protected network, but in which authorized people can access from outside, like the chief executives, top managers. Main internet applications. There are several type of applications over the internet. We have data transfer applications, email, file transfer, web browsing, web forms, internet banking, IP telephony, information systems. What is a socket? Socket allows the users to send messages from one point to another point over the internet. Next question. How many components are there in a socket? There are 3 main components of socket. We have protocol, we have port, and we have host address. What is a protocol? Protocol is a set of standards so that hardware and software manufactured or developed by different vendors can communicate with each other. Like we have protocols, TCP/IP, HTTP, Transmission Control Protocol, Internet Protocol, Hypertext Transfer Protocol, FTP, File Transfer Protocol, POP, Post Office Protocol, SMTP, Simple Mail Transfer Protocol. What is a port? The second component. Port is a network access point, and there are 62,535 ports are available to use over the internet in a computer. First 200 ports are reserved, like HTTP has a fixed port 80, FTP 35, POP 110, SMTP 25. What is a host address? Unique address of a machine that is hosting the application that we are trying to access, like Hotmail application. Old address is 64.4.10.7 during the time of 2000 to 2001, and it's a unique address. No other machine over the network can have the same address over the internet, and if you try to have the same address, you will find a message, IP conflict message will come. Thank you very much. Jazakallah khair. May Allah bless you. Assalamu alaikum.